Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi. Soapy stories namhla guys sikhuluma ke ngenimba. Niyazi ukuthi mangabe weekend sesin update ukuthi yini ungasuyilindele ke emidlalweni yakho oyithanda kakhulu kumabona kude wakho. But ke lapha na kuyinimba guys kushube ukushuba everyone against each other. So guys into ezokwenzeka ke ile ndaba ke ukuthi ke uLwandle ufuna ke ukubuyela ke kwinkampani kazoleka no Lazarus kwikhusela tech, but ke guys ubaba kumnike u20% and ufuna ukuthatha lo 20% ke ayohlukanisela wona no Lazarus on the other side. And guys uLazarus uthi ke angifuna u10% but angifuna u10%, ngifuna the whole 20%. So ngifuna the whole 20% ukuze mina nawe sibe ne deal, of which I think guys ugreedy kancane, mhlambe at least if bekathe mhlambe u15%, but ke guys uthi ke ufuna the whole 20%. And kuzovela guys ukuthi ke unkosikazi ke wakhe uZoleka uzoba against leyo nto, then uLazarus uzombeka ke endaweni yakhe amthi sisi i-decision akusiyona eyakho kuphela and ngiyaqhubeka ke nokuthi ngifuna u20% wakho konke lokhu ke abazokunika ke uLwandle. So uZondo guys it's gonna be difficult for him because akayibonanga ke lento iza ukuthi ngampela angaqala inkampani yakhe from scratch, then u20% uzo owner uLazarus. So ama decisions azokwenzeka kwinkampani kube ukuthi ke uLazarus is part of those decisions, you know. But guys uyalunga at the same time because uma wethu uqale nayo inkampani but ke wamsideline decide ke ukuthatha ke indodana yakhe. So on the other side guys I'm saying uyalunga layeka vele, and ukuthi mangabe sekuvela ukuthi ngampela wenzani ke uLwandle, then uZondo uzozonda ke unkosikazi wakho ukuthi sisi uwena owathi asibuyisele lo muntu enkampanini, uwena futhi owathi asenzeke ngalendlela ke engagcina ngenza. Uyayibona indodana yakho ke isiyenzini enye into guys. Relationship kamawethu kanye ke no Portia nayo futhi ke izothinta kakhulu because uLazarus uzocela ke uPortia ukuthi kubo yena ke ojahana ke namanye ama client ke asebenza lapha na ke kwiZondo Tech, and guys kusho ukuthi lokho ke i-relationship yabo izo affecteka ke kakhulu. But ke at the end of the day siyezwa guys ukuthi ke uzoleka uzobona ukuthi yazini I can't fight with my husband, so lento ayishoyo athi ayenzeke cha ngizohambisana ke nayo. So at the end of the day guys bazoba a team and fight iZondo Tech. So and inside Zondo Tech betrayal is closer than anyone imagined. It's gonna be difficult, kuzoba nzima ngampela. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.